So today I'm going to show you how to plug a motorcycle tire with the help of these simple tools. So this is a slime plug kit that you can buy at Walmart or any of the automobile stores. It costs like $6. Comes with the plugs, rimming tools, and the rubber compound. And I have these from some soap water, a pair of scissors, and then this is also from Walmart, an air compressor. So as you can see, the tire is completely flat. So what I'm going to do is first air it up and then spray the soap water to find where exactly it's leaking from. Okay, so I have aired it up. Let's do the soap thing and see if there are any bubbles. Looks like there's no bubbles, so it's not leaking. We'll leave it overnight, or you can keep it for several hours and see if the tire pressure is dropping or not. If you have a tire pressure gauge or visual inspection, if it's leaking a lot, you would be seeing that the tire is getting flat. But if it's a slow leak, you may not be able to see that. So my recommendation is, once it's not leaking, you can check with the, like, leave it alone for several hours, then check the tire pressure. If it's at the same psi, then take it for a ride, take it easy for a few miles, 15, 20, 25 miles, and check your tire again, and then check one more time once you have done 50 to 100 miles. If it's holding all that miles, then you don't need to worry about it no more, so you should be good. So that's pretty much everything. So that's how you plug a motorcycle tire, and hopefully this video will help you. I'll try to put more content on all the work that I do to my bikes. So if you're interested in any motorcycle related content and you want to help a small channel like me, feel free to subscribe.